Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to take this headset, this VR headset strap, and I'm going to retrofit it to my HP Reverb G2. So I've already retrofitted the AMVR Grips that are also made for Quest 2 controllers onto my Reverb, and they work pretty well. It's nice because I can let go of them. So bring it in the directions, and I'm going to try to do this live here. So take out the head strap, press the back of the head pad into the slot on the back of the head strap. Maybe I should push this out first. There we go. Not quite. Is this supposed to click? There it goes. Got to angle it a little bit to get it in there. Carefully remove the installed head strap from the Quest 2, or in this case, the G2. I guess I'll start with this. Pull that out. Probably remove the face mask first. I love that this is magnetic. I'm going to try to get another replacement for this too and see how that goes. But pull this out. Pull this one out. Here goes something. But I digress. Okay. Now that that's off, just the headset. So presumably these will have to slide backwards onto this. But I've heard that they don't quite fit. They don't quite line up. So what you have to do in order to make them fit, you have to heat them up with either a heat gun or, in my case, a blow dryer. So there's these little rubber pieces that come inside of here. Make sure you take those off. That'll make your life a lot freaking easier. Word to the wise, don't do what I did. You see how this one is sticking out quite a bit, and this one is not? It's because this needs to be flipped around before I put it on there. Don't. I feel really bad using this much force, but I kind of have to. Okay, so once you install it correctly, not like an idiot, I wasn't quite sure how far to put this, but there is another strap that goes through here, just like on the original. You just Velcro that back to itself. And as far as how far that goes, I remember seeing pictures. They don't have any part of this sticking out. So I don't think it needs to go this far, but I guess the best way to test it is to put it on and see. Oh wow, that is quite a difference already. Headset feels a lot more balanced. Currently, the way it felt comfortable, speakers are being blocked. But I guess there is quite a few adjustment points. So this is what it looks like when halfway completed. There are these interesting things on the top. Some people say they hate them, but they don't particularly bother me. So I guess I'll just put the cable back in, the headphones back on, and we'll see how it works. So after putting the headphones on, I did notice that this band really wants to contact these. So you can see on both sides, and then the headset isn't actually really resting on this unless you push this further back to expose more of this. My forehead is really just kind of resting on this instead of using this much at all. But I'm going to play with it and try to find the best fit.